Rails the Car Guy. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Happy New Year's, by the way. Happy New Year's 2022, baby. We in here. Yeah, I'm out here. Please subscribe, man. If you like the videos, I'm only here to help you guys. I know how to do the shit. So please subscribe to my channel. And I got you. Rails the Car Guy. Donations are accepted. If you want to cash at me, cash at me. I appreciate it, but you don't have to. I just want you to subscribe. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Welcome to another episode of Rails the Car Guy. I've already started as usual. I don't know why I do this shit all the time, but I'm doing brakes on a Ford F350 Super Duty. Big boy. Got 8 lugs. They are 19 millimeter. Zap them off. After you take off the cap, it's only 3 screws, 3 Allen head bolts. Let me show you guys something. There's 3 Allen head bolts that go on there. 1, 2, 3. But it looked like it's Allen heads all the way around it, but it's only 3 primary Allen heads that releases that. I'm just doing the front brake pads and rotors. As you see, these brakes are done. So I just I took the bracket off. That is a 21 millimeter for the caliber bracket bolts. The caliber bolts itself is I think a 5/8. Is a 5/8 is what I use to get those. I undid the caliber bolts first, them 2, raise it up, take out the brake pads. After you take the brake pads off, you take the 2 big bolts behind that's holding this bracket on, that bolts up right here. It's 21 millimeter, take them off. Now you want to push back these pistons. So I'm about to push those back and I'll be back. Okay, I pushed those pistons in with the C-clamp. And nobody says it's gonna be easy, but you gotta keep going till it's done. I kept alternating sides, pushing on this side and pushing on this side, pushing on this side, pushing on this side. Now, everything's off. Now you gotta get a hammer, put back here, bow, turn it, bow, until you knock this rotor off. You gotta get this rotor off so we can put a new rotor on. Put the new rotor on, put that bracket back on the way you took it off, the opposite way, put it on. And I'm only gonna show you guys how to do one side because you do the other side the exact same way. So I'll be back after I get the new rotor on. Gotta get a hammer, beat this motherfucker off. Matter of fact, let me try it while you guys are on the phone, but I'm in Indiana and these are a little rusty. Not in California anymore. To a hammer. Preferably a sludge hammer if you have one. And you want to take it. That rotor off of there. Talk to yourself. It's coming. It's coming. You can see it getting a gap right there. Oh, it's off. It's off. See that? See that, guys? All right, so you just slide that off and you slide the new one on. Then you reassemble the caliber bracket, the brake pads onto the caliber bracket, and bolt the caliber back on, and you're done. Pump the brakes up after everything's together. Pump them up, give them a good 5, 10, 15 pumps. Make sure you feel good pressure in the brakes. Then you're done. I know some of you guys need that extra help. So, all right, I got the bracket on. Put the 2 21 millimeter bolts back in. Got the bracket on. Now you want to assemble the brake pads. They come with new clips. So you take these, make sure they're oriented the right way. Put them on. Basically, look at the old one, see how it is. See that hook? The hook goes at the top. Because it's going to flare out when you put them on. They're going to flare out when you put them on. Like, I need both of my hands, but they're basically going to act like a spring. Line that up. See that? See that? Bam, bam. See that? They act like a spring. See that? See that? Do the other side the same way. Come on, guys. Boom, boom. Put them 2 on. If you want to, it comes with the grease. Open this up, spread a little grease around there, on there. You can even put some on the bolts if you want. And bam. Then you put the caliper back on top of it. Boom. Put the 2 bolts back in the caliper. You're good to go. Go pump those brakes up like 15 times after you got it all together, and you're good to go. Put the tire back on. Do the other side. Roll out. You should be good to go. Rails the Car Guy. Comment. I'll try to answer you. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Rails the Car Guy. Thanks for watching.